Here I'm going to be showing you how to perform the horizontal mattress suture. For supplies, we have our suture material. I chose the 4/0 silk braided. We have scissors, forceps for holding the skin taut, and then the needle driver. I used markings to delineate for demonstration purposes of where the suture should be going in relation to the incision site. First, I hold my needle driver properly, and then I begin to load my needle into the needle driver. I begin to enter the skin 1/4 of an inch away from the incision line. That's simulated by this first dot. And then I exit on the opposite end, approximately 1/4 of an inch away from the incision line, and I pull the material through. I then load my needle driver again. And then I begin to go besides where I just exited across from the incision site. I go horizontal or next to that space. And now I'll exit on the opposite end of the incision line, and I'll pull my material through. And as you can see, I now have a nice horizontal line. I will now begin the tying off method, where I'll do a surgeon's throw. This time, again, making sure that I am nice and perpendicular to the incision site. I do 2 throws, and I crisscross my arms. This is what's different with this technique. This is to ensure that the incision or the suture material stays nice and horizontal. So now I will do only 1 throw. Grab the tail and crisscross. And again. And then I will do 1 more just to make sure that the suture material is nice and snug. Again, as any other suture, I'll clamp off my suture material and snip to create the final tail of the suture. And make sure that I use the very tips of my scissors to do this.